Okay, first we're doing 1.4, number 11 from WebAssign. Find the x values, if any, at which f is not continuous. Which of the discontinuities are removable? Okay, so we have f of x equals, this is a step function of x minus 2. And this graph would be, or the barking dog. So the way step function works, if you may have forgotten, let me go ahead and label this out, or at least do tick marks. Okay, coming down here. Didn't go too far. Maybe I made it too fine. Well, let me just call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I don't know, maybe let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. -1, all that. Okay, so given that it would normally start here from at the origin, but it's a step function, or greatest integer function, greatest integer less than or equal to the number in the brackets that you work out. So we're going to start here at 2 and go across, and there's an open circle at 3. Then it jumps up here and goes across. It jumps up here and goes across like that. And that's how it works. And so you can see at every integer here there's a discontinuity because that's where it jumps. So open here, back this way. That's closed in. Open here. I kind of messed up my graph a little bit, but the idea, I hope you see it, is open and back. It makes these steps. So every time you're at an integer, there's a discontinuity. And the instructions said put k if it's every integer. So the discontinuity occurs at k. For every integer. And then is it removable or not removable? This is non-removable. You can't work it out algebraically and get rid of the discontinuity. This is non-removable. Okay, so there's that one. For 1.4, number 12 in WebAssign, it's number 63 from the book. Okay, the problem here says, the next one, it says find A and B such that the function is continuous. So we're told it's a piecewise function. We're at 9 for x less than or equal to -4. Then ax plus b for -4 is less than x less than 5. Then -9 for x greater than or equal to 5. I mean, if we want to look at a graph of this, and I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, but the graph would look something like this. Let's call this 9 up here. Call this -9 down here. And up to, let's say, -4 is there. It's trucking along pretty good at 9. And then at 5, it picks up again, but at -9. So we're trying to find a line here that would be our ax plus b. So to do it, what we want is it to go through each of these points that end on the horizontal lines. So we know it goes through ax plus b goes through -4, 9, and 5, -9. So what's our slope? Slope is -9 minus 9 over 5 minus -4. That's -18 over 9, or -2. So there's our slope. Now we use the point slope formula. it doesn't matter which point, y minus 9 equals, we'll go with the first point, equals negative 2 times x minus negative 4. So y minus 9 equals negative 2 times x plus 4. Y minus 9 equals negative 2x minus 8. And if we add 9 to both sides, y equals negative 2x plus 1. And that kind of fits with what we have here in our graph. So our A is negative 2 and our B is 1. Okay, hope that helps.